Hello, my name is Nate Wessels. I am the developer for the Resting Gardens Cemetery software. And for this tutorial video, it's going to be a continuation of another. It's going to be how to update zones within your Resting Gardens Cemetery digital map. If you want to know what a zone is, please go to the previous video. Okay, like as mentioned in the other video, you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your account. A quick way to determine that is if you have these setting icons in the nav bar on the top right or the blue banner on the left. And then you're also going to want to make sure this setting icon on the bottom right is showing up. And then you're going to also want to make sure you're on a desktop computer. This will not work on a mobile device or a tablet. Okay, so as in the last video, we created this testing zone. I'm just going to update this zone. Currently, there's no plots within it, so if you want to know how to create plots within this zone, there's another video that will be linked here as well. Okay, I'm going to click the settings icon here. I'm going to get a few options. I'm going to get Zone Manager, Plot Tool. And if you're on a mobile device, it's just going to say you can't do this on a mobile device, use a desktop. I'm going to click Zone Manager, and then I'm going to say Update Existing Zone, and then I'm going to click on the zone I want to update. In this case, this one right here. Now, if you want to update the zone name, you have the option to do this here. The same with the zone initial. One thing to note is if you have plots within this zone already, whenever you make an update to these, it'll automatically make those adjustments to the plots within this zone automatically. And then if you want to change the shape of the zone, you can click and drag the markers. You can add new markers. And as mentioned in the previous video, the markers do need to be in the order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then whatever is the greatest marker always needs to go back to 1. It has to have a minimum of 3 markers, just because that's what creates a shape. If you have 2, it's just a line, and you can't really display that on the map. There's an unlimited number of points you can put for each zone, and of course, if you want to delete markers, you can click on the delete icon here. And then let's say if you want to change the color of the zone, you have that option here. By default, they're always this white color, but it's up to you on that. Visible to the public, whether or not this zone and the plots within that zone show up to the public. And then label, same thing. It's if I want to hide the label, it's just a shape, no label there. Okay, and then adjust zone rotations. Kind of a interesting thing. You're only gonna want to do this if you need to change the orientation for all the plots within the zone and the rotation of all those plots. So like, let's say if I want to kind of rotate it like this, for whatever reason, doing that will update the zone's rotation and update the orientation and the rotation for all the plots within it. Kind of a risky feature, but if you need to revert, you can do the exact same thing. And then if you need to delete a zone, we don't currently offer that feature, but you can contact us and we'll be able to do it for you. And if you want to save, you're just going to click the save button, and if I click save here, exit out, and if I refresh, let's refresh again. Seriously? Oh, there we go. Give it a few times, and voila, it's rotated. And that concludes this video.